Hello there guys, welcome in our tutorial. So in this tutorial we're gonna create custom collisions for the ground and then we're gonna test it in UDK. So right now I opened my FBX. I'm not gonna go back to my previous Maya files. I directly opened the FBX which I used to import the meshes to UDK. So okay, let's start it. I just isolate everything. I just left my ground. So I'm gonna create the box. As you can notice, I'm using Maya 2015 and some of the options may be a bit weird because they just change the place. Okay, so let's go to our component and add 5 would be a good number. 5 in depth and 5 in width. We don't need more for height. And right now let's match this box to our ground. Okay, and right now as you can see, well, some of the um, part in the mesh it just taking out from the box, so we just need to fix this. So just put some vertices up and that should solve the problem, and put some down. So basically we need to match it out. So I'll put this one up. As you can see, it doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to match the ground more or less. I'm not trying to make a really high definition collision, so it's not gonna be collision which is exactly like mesh. Okay, some a bit here. Okay, this one is fine. So right now we have geometry for collisions. Let's go to our outliner. Let's select this mesh and let's call it okay, let's first pick up a floor. And it's called floor 1, as you can see. So let's take this one. Let's name it UCX underscore floor 1. Okay, and that's it. What is gonna say, that's gonna be a complex collision, and this collision gonna be applied for this particular model. So okay, let's go export all, and let's export as FBX. Just double check if we have embed media, and let's go to advanced options, units automatic, and FBX file format. I want it to be 13, and let's export. Yeah, I want to replace it. Okay, that's fine. Let's go back to UDK. Let's come over here. Let's import our FBX package. It's gonna be how's it the name of the package before? It was Nuketown. Where is it? Nuketown mines. Yep. Okay. See, 33 collisions on this mesh. We are in a inspector right now, and let's press Alt and C. Well, we should see our collisions. Okay. Let's have a look. Okay, it didn't update the collisions. Let's go back to our content browser. Let's see collisions. Okay, that's how the collision looks like, but in some way it didn't really update it for our mesh. Okay, we exported wrong. Let's try one more time. Okay, so that was wrong. So this one we can just delete it. Okay, let's have a look on this for now and play from here. Okay, now I'm able to walk, and let's just test the collisions. They are good here. They are good here. Okay, they work fine. So it's time to go back to Maya. Hide both of them. And it's time to work on this wall. So the practice for this wall gonna be more or less same, but this time we're just gonna use simple cube. Okay, let's go to our outliner. How does it call it? It calls wall 01. So this one need to be UCX wall 01. Yeah. Right now what we're gonna do exactly the same. We're gonna export all. Yeah. Wait until it's exported. We're going back to UDK. We're going to our content browser, going to import and mine so on. Yep. And as you can see, we have a collision on the wall over here. So we need to do every single wall like this. So I'm gonna do the rest walls behind the scenes, and then I'm gonna come back to show you how the collision gonna be applied in the corridors and on the rails.